All right, folks, so we have two sides here. Now we're ready to install our corner. Our corner is meant to have these pieces back 3 inches. You see how the starter is longer? That is because these pieces right here need to sit and rest on that starter, and then they come up here and they're nailed up here. Then the corner has a spot for the next corner to lock in there. So you will need to work from left to right, and on this I'm going to have to work all the way around this chimney, put a corner on, and then all the way around the chimney again, corner on, corner on. So it's different than vinyl. If I was using a vinyl double 4 and I had a corner here, I'd put the corner straight up, put that in there, put the corner straight up, then put this side on, and I could work one side at a time. This you need to work all 3 sides if you have a corner, or all 2 sides if you have just one corner. So we're gonna go ahead and put this corner on. We're gonna make sure it locks down on there. I'm gonna pull it out just a hair and make sure it's clipped in there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and push it against here, not smash it, but just push it against. Then I'm gonna nail both sides. Then we'll be able to move on. There we go. Now my corner is secure. Now some people say, oh, I don't like that as much, but that's what you have. It's held on the bottom, it's held on the top, and you only have about a 20-inch span. These corners are only about 20 inches tall, 19 7/8 from the bottom here to here. So you're only talking like 20 inches from nail to nail, or from where it's held to the nailing point. So there you go, folks. That's how to install your corners. I'm going to keep moving around here, and then I'll install this next corner.